We'll guide you through how to download and install the Aether mod in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This goes and adds another dimension to Minecraft. So let's guide you through how you can go and do this. To get started, quit the game. Now what you want to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Then what we can do is go and type in Aether mod Minecraft like so. And we can then go and see it at the top on CurseForge. CurseForge is a place you can get different Minecraft mods from. So you can scroll down the description and read about it. But to go and get it, what we need to do is we need to come up to the top here and we need to go and press on files. Now you want to come down here and we can go and see the different files here. The main thing to note is the game version and mod loader. In this case, we're going to be using the Fabric mod loader. So here it is here. And what we can then do is go to the right, press the three dots and press download file. Just note the game version as we need to know that in a moment. When it's downloaded, open up a new tab. And what you want to do is go and type in Fabric Minecraft like so. Then we can come to the Fabric site. Fabric is the mod loader. We can press download at the top and press download for Windows. If you use a Mac, you can go and get the universal jar. Then what we can do is go and press Fabric API like so. And we can go and press files at the top here. And then what we can do is go and scroll down and we need to make sure we then get it for the right version. So we need to go and filter it for 1.21.1 like so. Then I can go and see this one at the top here. I'll press the three dots to the right and press download file. We've now downloaded what we need. But before we get any further, a big thank you to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go and check them out. I've linked them in the description and in the pinned comment. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice, so definitely check them out. You can go and get one-click install mod packs on there. They've got DDoS protection, keeping your server safe. They've got 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can get live chat assistance anytime you need it. Ultra latency, instant setup, and much more. What you now need to do is open up your file explorer and come to the downloads on the left. Go and find the Fabric installer and double click on it like so. Then you can go and choose the version. We need it for 1.21.1 and we can then go and press install like so, which it now has. We can go and close it. Now what we need to do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher. So I'll go and do that now. We can close this here and then go to the top and press installations. Go and scroll down and you need to go and find the version of Fabric we went and got, which was this one here, 1.21.1. We can press the folder icon to the right. We can then scroll down in here and go and find the mods folder. And then what you need to do is go and drag in the Aether mod and also Fabric API like so. We can then close out of here, come back to the launcher, hover over the Fabric loader and press play to the right. Understand you're playing a modified version of Minecraft. I had this pop up about requiring this library here. So what I can then do is press download and install and it's going to automatically do it for us. We can then go and press play and it's going to go and launch. Go and be patient. What we can then do is go and press single player and I'll go and get into a new world and I'll quickly show you it. To get to the Aether, we need to make the portal. To do that, you need glowstone, 4 along at the bottom, then stack up another 4 like so and do the same thing on the other side. Then what you can do is go and connect this up with a bucket of water, right click, and we've made the portal. Go into it and you're then going to get taken to the Aether. As you can see, here we are.